Hello everyone, welcome to the DIY channel. Today I will show you how to disassemble the jaw blades. So like you see, there's two blades, but it's easy to defect. So I will show you how to put two defect jaw blades into one good one. Okay. As you see, if I see this side is top, there's a screw, two screws actually. This side is bottom, so you can see this side the screw is bigger than that side, but it's actually not a screw. You can't screw it out, but you can use something to. I'll show you. Okay. Yes. So, actually it's already out. I will take it out. So you can see it's actually not a screw, it's a little metal stick. One side is bigger, one side is smaller. So now you can change the blades as you will. So that's all for today. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.